To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Under the How You Use Instagram section, select Your Activity. Swipe up to scroll down. Under the How You Use Instagram section, tap on Watch History. You will now see a list of all the reels you have watched over the past 30 days. From here, you can sort your watch history from oldest to newest. You can also filter your watch history by the past week, past month, or a custom date range. And also you can filter your watch history by creator, to see reels from specific authors. This feature lets you easily revisit, rewatch, or save reels you've enjoyed in the past 30 days. If you want to remove any reel from your watch history, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the reels you want to delete. Then tap Remove at the bottom. In the confirmation window, tap Remove again to confirm. The selected reels will be permanently removed from your watch history, and will no longer appear in the list. So that's how you can view and manage your Reels watch history on Instagram.